Hey everybody, Erica here with One Berkshire, and we are setting up right now for a live ribbon cutting. We're bringing you in so we can watch the ribbon cutting. We're in downtown Pittsfield. This is the Beacon Cinema that's been reopened, renovated by Phoenix Theaters, and we're about to see live with Mayor Tyre and Corey from Phoenix Theaters cutting the ribbon. Let's have a countdown, everybody. We want to hear a word from Mayor Tyre about this monumentous occasion.
This is an absolutely fabulous moment for downtown Pittsfield. The Beacon Cinema is open and ready for the Christmas season and the long week ahead with all of our families coming to enjoy the movies. Download the app, buy your tickets online,
a new
check
app
out the
for the
show
theater.
times. The seats are heated. It can't get any better than this.
You can
so
recline, relax, and enjoy the winter holiday.
Really outstanding moment.
Awesome.
Really
and
great.
You were mentioning earlier the importance of an independent movie theater in downtown. So
That's
this
great.
it's great to see this continuing.
Exactly. I was saying to everyone who's here to celebrate the ribbon cutting that we are the envy of so many gateway cities because we have an independent movie theater in our downtown, and it's meant to be cherished and treasured and supported. So come on down to your independent movie theater. Mary Poppins is showing.
That's right.
We've got some great movies queued up, so come on down.
All right. High five for the Berkshires and high five for Pittsfield.
High five.
Yeah. All right. And while I've got you here, before we go offline, I'd love to talk to somebody from Phoenix Theater. You want to be on my Facebook Live
Sure,
for a second?
absolutely. How are you?
Pretty good.
Thank you very much.
So we just did the live ribbon cutting. We're so excited you guys are here in town.
Yeah.
We've got the business community watching. They got to peek in on the ribbon cutting.
Excellent.
Anything you want to say to the community now that you guys are here?
Yeah, come on out. The heated seats are absolutely amazing.
Yeah,
come on out,
that,
check
you
it
guys
out
hit
this
that
weekend. Yeah,
that's pretty amazing. Heated seats, you can't go wrong with
absolutely.
that. Awesome.
No
Well,
doubt.
welcome to the community.
Thank you so much.
And
Appreciate
thanks so
it.
much for being here. We can't wait to check it out.
Thanks a lot.
All right, everybody. Beacon
Have a good one.
Cinema. Come and check it out. See you soon.